Did you know you can actually earn real money online, right from the comfort of your home? That's right. All you need is a computer or even just your smartphone with an internet connection. In this video, I'm going to share 10 legitimate websites where you can start making some extra side income, or maybe even turn it into a full-time career. And the best part? You can do all of this in your spare time without having to quit your 9-to-5 job. But before we jump into the list, it's really important to understand the two main ways you can make money online. First, there's active income. This is just like a traditional job. You get paid for the work you do. If you don't work, you don't get paid. Simple as that. Then there's passive income. This is where you create something once like a video, an ebook, or a digital product and it continues to earn you money over time with very little ongoing effort. It's the dream, right? Earning money while you sleep. Alright, now that we've got that covered, let's get into the list of these 10 amazing websites. First up, at number 1, we have Upwork.com is one of the absolute top platforms for freelancers. Think of it as a giant online marketplace for skills. Companies and individuals are constantly posting jobs they need to outsource. This could be anything from writing and video editing, graphic design, all the way to complex app development and coding. If you have any skill that's marketable in today's world, you can start earning on Upwork almost immediately. The key to success here is creating a professional profile that really showcases your expertise and any past work you've done. Think of it as your online resume. The better your profile looks, the more likely you are to attract high-paying clients and get a steady stream of job offers. Coming in at number 2 is a platform you're on right now, YouTube. Yes, you can make real, substantial money on YouTube. Now, there are a couple of milestones you need to hit first. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start monetizing your content. Your earnings will come from a few different places: the ads that play on your videos, brand sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The more engaging and consistent your videos are, the more you can earn, from a few dollars to literally thousands every single month. Plus, one of the best things about YouTube is that your older videos continue to generate revenue long after you uploaded them, making it an incredible source of passive income. Next on our list, at number 3, is the e-commerce giant, Amazon. Most of us think of Amazon just for shopping, but it's actually a goldmine for earning money in several different ways. First, there's Amazon Mechanical Turk, or M-Turk. Here, you can get paid for completing small, simple tasks that computers can't do easily, like transcribing audio clips or testing websites. Second, there's Kindle Direct Publishing. If you've ever dreamed of being an author, you can write and publish your own ebooks on the Amazon Kindle store. Every time someone buys your book, you earn passive income, and you don't need a traditional publishing deal to get started. Finally, there's the Amazon Associates Program. This is their affiliate program where you can earn commissions, typically between 5 to 10%. Whenever someone buys a product through your special referral links, you can share these links on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Moving on to number 4, we have ClickBank. ClickBank.com is a massive online marketplace where creators sell digital products, like online courses, software, and ebooks. As an affiliate, your job is to promote these products and earn a commission. And the commissions on ClickBank can be huge, ranging from 5% all the way up to an incredible 75%. All you have to do is find a product that aligns with your audience or interests, get your unique affiliate link, and start promoting it. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you get paid. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income through affiliate marketing without ever creating a product yourself. At number 5, we have Flippa. Flippa.com is the number 1 marketplace for buying and selling online businesses. This includes established websites, mobile apps, domain names, and even entire e-commerce stores. If you're skilled at building websites or developing apps, you can create them from scratch, grow them a bit, and then sell them on Flippa for a significant profit. On the other side of the coin, if you have some extra capital to invest, you can buy a business that's already generating income and take it over. It's like digital real estate, and it can be incredibly lucrative. Let's talk about number 6, Shutterstock. Shutterstock.com is a leading platform where creative professionals sell stock content. This includes photos, video clips, and music tracks. If you're a talented photographer, a videographer, or a music producer, this is an amazing opportunity for you. You can upload your high-quality content to the platform, and you'll earn a commission every single time someone downloads and uses your work. The key to making good money on Shutterstock is consistency and quality. The more great content you have in your portfolio, the higher your potential for passive income becomes. Your photos could be sold thousands of times over many years. If you're an animal lover, you're going to love number 7, Rover. Rover.com is essentially the Airbnb for pets. It's a dog-sitting service available in the US and Canada, and it connects pet owners with trusted pet sitters and dog walkers in their area. You can earn anywhere from $80 to $100 per night just by caring for someone's furry friend. The work is flexible, it's fun, And it's absolutely perfect for animal lovers who want to make some extra money doing something they genuinely enjoy. At number 8, we have Take Lessons. TakeLessons.com is a platform that empowers you to earn money by teaching others your skills. It doesn't matter what your expertise is. It could be playing a musical instrument, speaking a new language, cooking, tutoring, math, or even coding. Anyone with expertise in a subject can sign up to become an instructor. You simply create your profile, list the lessons you offer, set your own rates, and start teaching either online through video chat or in person if you prefer. It's a great way to monetize your knowledge and help others learn something new. Coming in at number 9 is Fiverr. Fiverr.com is a massive freelance marketplace that has exploded in popularity. Here, you can sell almost any digital service you can think of, from logo design and video editing to voiceovers and social media marketing. Services on Fiverr famously start at just $5, which makes it very beginner-friendly. But don't let that fool you. Many successful freelancers on the platform earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per project once they build up a solid reputation and good reviews. It's an excellent place to dip your toes into the world of freelancing and start building a client base. And finally, at number 10, we have dropshipping. Is one of the most popular and talked about methods for starting an online business without ever having to handle any physical inventory. Here's how it works. You set up an online store using a platform like Shopify, and you list products that are sourced from a third-party supplier through an app like Uber. When a customer places an order on your store, the supplier ships the product directly to them. You never touch the product. You simply keep the profit margin, which is the difference between what the customer paid and what you paid the supplier. While it can be competitive and does require effort to set up and market your store, successful dropshippers can make a substantial income once their business gains traction. So, there you have it, 10 legitimate ways to start making money online. Making an income online has never been more accessible than it is today. Whether you prefer the active work of freelancing or you want to build long-term passive income streams, there is truly an opportunity out there for you. The most important thing is to just start. Start small, stay consistent, and as your skills and experience grow, so will your earnings. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tips for making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.